Hi everybody, myself Richard on behalf of Ankusam Institute of Entrepreneurship. Good to meet you all. In this crisis period due to coronavirus outbreak, we are facing issues towards our business and jobs. So we are very much worried about how the future is going to be once the lockdown is over. At this time of depression, I got reminded of a small story I heard a long back. So I thought I would like to share the same with you all. In our story, there was an uneducated man living in a small village near a national highway. Since he didn't have much of an option for jobs, he decided to start a small tea shop on the highway. Many vehicles stopped there for a rest and also had refreshments from his shop. By seeing the overwhelming response, he decides to expand his business. So he creates more parking space and have people to manage it. Then he had a high held light hoardings and decorated the place with lights. All these things, what he did, made him attract customers, and his business grew. The tea shop was transformed into a small hotel and then to a restaurant in a short span of time. Later, he understood the necessity of the pass-buyers, and he adds up toys, gifts, chocolates, and much more to help them. Also, he started a gas station and puncher shop for the vehicles near his restaurant. Now, his small business of a tea shop has grown into an esteemed business organization. He became an important person in that locality. He wanted his son to manage his business, and so he sends him abroad and helps him finish his management studies from an esteemed university. Now, the educated son gives him advices for the betterment of the business. Since he is uneducated, he felt that whatever his educated son tells him was right. The son suggests that there is an economical crisis happening all over the globe and we should take some preventive measures to survive the situation. And so he accepts to act as per his advices. At first, they cut down the manpower in the puncture section, stating that they have considerably low number of puncture cases happening and having a dedicated manpower for this is a waste of resource. But they didn't realize that the other businesses happening while the vehicles are halted for puncture were also stopped. This was the first layoff happened in the organization and the others were not much alarmed about the future happenings. Then they reduced the manpower used in the parking area, stating that they have way too much staff than required. This brought issues in organizing the vehicles in parking space, and the number of vehicle inflow was reduced, which also affected the business. Then they cut down the usage of decorative lights and light hoardings to reduce the electricity bill, which reduced the visibility of the restaurant from long distance. The speeding vehicles can see the restaurant only when they approach near, and due to high speed they are traveling, they refuse to stop there. This affected the business during night times and eventually they stopped working at night. Earlier, this was an restaurant functioning round the clock. Then they stopped making high priced dishes in the restaurant, stating that the number of such items sold is low and they had only usual dishes in menu. This affected the walk-in of high-class customers. Also, the profit ratio reduced because they are selling only low-cost foods, which affected the profit badly. Due to the cut down in profit, they reduced the number of waiters working. This ended up in delayed services to the customer and it reflected in the customer satisfaction, which brought down the number of customers they have. Now, at this point, the esteemed business organization have lost its business, functioning with less than average customer. The father still believed that what his son said was right and that all these business downfall is because of the global economic crisis. He refused to realize that this was an outcome from the bad decisions they made. The takeaway point from this story is it is totally wrong to have an impression that the global economic crisis will definitely affect our business. The decision we take have a greater impact over our business. When the uneducated father could grow a big business with no proper education, the son failed to survive in the market because he was implementing everything he studied without realizing that we have a lot of external factors to consider. We should not be taking any decisions by comparing our business with other businesses or mimicking their decisions right away. We need to have a clear understanding on our business and the problems we face before taking a decision. The success of our business totally lies on how we are going to run the business with all positive attitude. Right after this lockdown, we will have a thought that we should be very conservative on investments we make. But that is not the right way. Business grows only when there is good financial and physical investments involved. So don't consider that cost cutting will help in flourishing your business. Instead, it might give you a downfall. So, understanding the situation your business is facing right now and do the optimal required changes only. This will be a good way to save and grow your business in this critical situation. Hope I made my point clear to you all. Thank you and have a good day.